Here is an interactive tour in 360-degree format. If you press the buttons, panoramas change. You can add as many of them as you like. Let's see how to work with 360-degree images in Varwin. Prepare a 360-degree image in JPEG or PNG format with an aspect ratio of 2:1. Drag the file into the Varwin window. Now the image can be seen in the Resources section of the library. Let's place the picture in the scene. Launch 3D Editor by clicking on Edit on Desktop. Find the Panorama object in the library of the 3D Editor and drag it into the location. Make sure that the player's spawn point is in the center of the panorama. Then select your image to the object in the Inspector's menu on the right panel. To check how the picture looks from the inside, click Teleport Camera and then Load Image. Now you need to place the text object from the library next to it. It should later on activate the panorama when a user clicks the text. To make the panorama work in play mode, let's create a simple program. Save the scene, minimize the 3D Editor window, and go to the Logic Blockly Editor. Find the text object in the Object section and drag the DoOnUseStart event block into the working area. Find the panorama in the Object section and drag the Load Image block into the event block. Done! Save the logic and click Preview on Desktop or in VR to see the result. Use Panorama and other media objects to create interactive tours. Join our Discord community to chat with other developers and learn awesome VR development hacks.